Hey, Duke.
That is one without all the shroud on it.
Right.
Then he's got this one. He builds them right there at his shop. And that one. I think that's the way you buy them, basically, I think.
Right, like a long walk.
Yeah.
Alright. So would you like to explain to the audience what that is and what we're doing?
This POS, the guy got a hold of me, had a really bad knock, and it smoked real bad. That motor. So he had this motor and that motor, said, yeah, out of the two, they're good, put it together. That one's got a hole in the block. This one, put it all together, put it on. Flywheel was the wrong size, so it started grinding into the tranny, or bell housing. Got a hold of a guy in Detroit, and he builds motors for a living. So I'm gonna use this for a core and just go down and buy a brand new crate motor. Put in it, comes with a 6-month warranty. It ought to outlast this trike and definitely probably the owner. So we're gonna load this up, go to Detroit, back from Detroit, put it in, put all the crap back on it. Hopefully it'll start. If not, it was a good plan, went to hell fast.
Magic and snap us past this?
I don't know, I sort of want to see the wreck.
Oh.
But this guy's got an easy job. I see a bunch of broken glass over here.
A couple deer? No, those look like they've been there.
See no skid marks over here. Hell, I don't even see it. Oh, damn, that went right up through his cab.
Oh, shit.
The hell's this one? I think they caught the deer.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the deer. You guys got a hell of a garage.
We just got to the guy's place. Not sure if he's gonna be cool with us filming. If he is, we'll show you around his shop or his garage or wherever he builds these engines. If not, the next thing will be us at our garage unloading the motor.
Anyway, so that one's a stock 1600. Now that one's got a full flow filtration setup on it, okay? So this would run to a oil filter of some sort that you can... I might have that in my storage unit. I think I've got a 1600 and a 1641 over there, and that's probably what you might have been looking at. If you want, we can go over there if you want to see it.
How far away is the storage unit?
It's about 5 minutes away. Yeah, we can do that. Let me just grab my keys, and then you guys will just follow me. Okay?
All right. Yeah, from the road it doesn't look like anything. It just looks like a normal house. That dude has quite a nice setup in there.
1600. It's got a 110 cam, high volume filter pump, new Moly pistons and cylinders. Cylinder has been rebuilt. The only thing with these cylinder heads, they don't have studs, they've got bolts on them, okay?
Yeah.
So that's the only difference, but they're nice heads, they're real nice heads.
You want me to drop the other motor here?
Yeah.
We're about to load the motor up. I was supposed to get up to mid-40s today. This sucks. I need to move down south with Mike. I want to get to the point where I'm complaining about 68. You want to give a quick status report?
Go for it.
Oh, I was asking you.
We
This
made it to Detroit. We looked at a lot of motors. We settled on this one. One, we didn't have enough money for the other big ones.
that is most likely true.
And we should have it running just in time for 3 days of solid rain. So, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't, go to Detroit and buy your own fucking motor.
Come on, Billy, give it to me, give it to me.
Respect.
Maybe he's giving us the last second to look over everything.
Yeah. We think we got everything buttoned up on it. So as soon as we take care of that and boost the battery, it's time to fire it up. Let's hear this brand new crate motor. Timing. Yep. Damn. God, we suck. Trying to die right now. Not yet. Seems to be running good. I think I got him talked into taking it for a test drive. See how that goes.
how much gas is in it for going in.
Yeah, just don't go far.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's fucking grip this one.
A few moments later.
Well, what do you think?
You know, as ugly as this is, it really keeps a lot of wind from hitting you.
Yeah?
Nothing comes up from underneath.
Huh.
It's really not bad. Well, picked it up yesterday. Yeah, picked it up yesterday. Blown motor, fucked up motor. Went and picked up a new motor for it. We got it all back together. What was supposed to be a month job ended up a day and a half. Sucks on labor, but you gotta have your ride, you know. Getting that time of season.
If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do that right here. Check out this video. Might be pretty cool. See you guys next time.